It is between 4,000 to 6,000 men in that one legion. In other words, when this thing answers for the man, he is literally saying, Jesus, we outnumber you. Jesus, we're ready to fight. Jesus, we are an army and you can't defeat us. Jesus asked in the singular, but he answers in the plural. Because catch it, the thing about it is that when you have gone so deep inside the hole of being away from the presence of God, when God comes to you and asks you for your name, the thing that has overtaken your identity answers for you. Sometimes your past answers for you. Sometimes it's your addiction that answers for you. Sometimes it's your mistakes that answer for you. Sometimes it might be your present that answers for you. And you ask yourself, I am trying to speak, but I can't because that thing has already stolen my voice. Because those demons had stolen not only his identity, but his voice. He comes to the man and he says, my name is Legion. My name is Legion. You see, you need to understand that what this Legion guy was trying to do was scare Jesus.